the next thing we're going to do is the empty load calibration. So you'll see down here that there's a circle, and if I position my bucket down so you can see it, our circle is there in the second position, but we need to start the first. So I need to get my circle lined up so that I'm at the line here. So it needs to be relatively precise. Now, we need to do 5 engine speeds for each angle. When we do the lift, we want to smoothly pull the lever all the way back at those 3 engine speeds. For our lowest speed, we're going to select 1600. For our medium speed, we're going to go 1900, and for our fast, we're going to do 2200. So, when we're ready, we've got our auto idle off. We've got our stick angle 1 lined up. We're going to turn on weighing. We're going to position just the boom. We've got the bucket so that it's level. The top of the bucket is level at ground level. Now we're going to lower our boom down until it says ready to lift. Once it says ready to lift, we can smoothly pull that lever all the way back and continue lifting until that beeping goes away and it says, okay, reset to your start position. So we'll go back down. You can see we've done 1 counter for the speed. So we're going to do back up as fast as we can at that. Okay, we've got 2. Now we're going to come back up again. 3. 4. 5. Now, we are going to confirm that speed. So now a speed counter for that angle. Now we're going to go, without moving the stick or the bucket, we're going to turn our engine RPM up to the 1900. And we're going to do the same thing. We're back to the reset position. Coming back, lifting. Stops beeping, I can stop. Repeat 5 times. Confirm. So now we've got the second one of 3. So now we're going to turn it up to 2200. Alright, now I'm going to press confirm. And you'll see that we've got the relative angle number up to 1 of 3. Now we need to position out to stick angle position 2. So I will stick out, and you'll see the white circle going up in the range of position number 2. We're going to line up the circle into the line. Okay, now we're going to turn our engine back to the 1600 we originally set. We're going to go down with the boom to grade level. We're going to curl the bucket a little bit so that it's horizontal. Now we're ready to go through these motions. So boom down, ready to lift. We're going to come up all the way back. There's 1. 2. It's very important that you continue to hold back until it stops beeping. If you don't, your calibration won't be very accurate. Got the 5, we're going to press confirm. Speed 1 of 3 done. Now we're going to turn it up to 1900 again. We're going to leave the stick in the bucket where it was. Go back down in the hole. Come back up. Got 5 on that speed, press confirm. Our speed counter increased. Now we'll go up to the 2200. Now we've done the 5 for that stick position. We're going to hit confirm. So now we've got number of angles calibrated 2 of 3. So now we're going to bring the boom back down. will stick out to position 3. So this brings up a point. If you're the technician that's doing an install and you don't operate equipment regularly, it's going to be much better if you get the daily operator of the machine to come and run the machine, and you go through and step through the steps and instruct them how to do this. Because we are going at relatively high speed, and we need someone comfortable in operating the machine to be able to perform these operations. So we'll do this with this third point, and we'll see you back for the next step.